In this video, I want to compare two really powerful email marketing tools that any online business can really benefit from: Highlevel and Moosend. So I'm going to compare Highlevel with Moosend across a few important departments, including features, ease of use, pricing structure, customer support, and more. Now, for your convenience, I've included links to both platforms in the description of this video so you can follow along and sign up to the one that you think is better by the end of the video. So let's start with features and functionality, starting with Highlevel. So Highlevel is designed primarily for marketing agencies, and it offers a broad array of tools, including CRM functionalities, marketing automation, sales funnels, extensive analytics, and white label capabilities. It allows agencies to manage multiple client accounts, automate communications across channels, track detailed analytics to refine marketing strategies. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that in a bit and what all of this means. Now, Moosend, on the other hand, specializes in email marketing automation, and it's favored by businesses of all sizes for its powerful yet user-friendly campaign management tools. So Moosend offers features like drag and drop email campaign builders, list segmentation, real-time analytics, and behavioral automation workflows that trigger actions based on specific user behavior. Now let's talk about the ease of use of each platform, starting with Highlevel. So this is what the platform looks like when you sign in. And so Highlevel provides a user-friendly interface that's designed to accommodate the complex needs of a marketing agency. And they manage lots of different tools and softwares inside the platform. Now, there is a bit of a learning curve here just because there's a lot of stuff here, but everything's organized really well. And they do have like university and like the help section that can help you out with getting familiar with everything. Moosend, on the other hand, emphasizes simplicity and ease of use in its design. The platform is highly intuitive, making it really easy for users to create, deploy, and manage email campaigns without requiring extensive technical knowledge. The platform's drag and drop editor and pre-designed templates allow for quick and effortless email creation. Now let's talk about integration capabilities, starting with Highlevel. So Highlevel was built with integration in mind. You can integrate Highlevel seamlessly with tons of different types of tools. And so some popular tools that you can integrate it with include Salesforce and HubSpot for CRM, Stripe, PayPal, and Square for payments, and a bunch of other miscellaneous tools like MailChimp, ClickFunnels, Zapier, and many more. So chances are that any software that you're currently using in your marketing business can be integrated with Highlevel seamlessly. Now, Moosend also integrates with a wide range of platforms such as e-commerce systems, CRM software, and lead generation software. So while its integrations are comprehensive, they are particularly strong in enhancing e-commerce functionalities like cart abandonment and purchase confirmation workflows. So Moosend connects to Zapier and a bunch of other softwares here. They've got CRM softwares that they connect to, right? You can connect to HubSpot and Salesforce, Insightly and Pipedrive, and lots of other softwares. They've got e-commerce tools that you can connect to like WooCommerce and ThriveCart. So Moosend is also really up there when it comes to offering really good integration with other softwares. Now let's talk about the pricing, starting with Highlevel. So as you can see, Highlevel offers two main plans: the starter plan and the unlimited, with starter costing $97 a month and unlimited at $297 a month. Now the great thing about Highlevel is that they offer a 14-day free trial for both of their plans, so you can test literally all the tools and functionality on the platform for free for 2 weeks before you make any commitment. And with the starter plan, you get all the tools that you need to capture more leads. You get the tools to convert them into customers. Then you get tools to manage them. You can build a website and pipelines, manage their booking. One thing I really like about Highlevel is that on their cheapest plan, they offer unlimited contacts and users. Most softwares actually give you this on their most expensive plan. With unlimited, you actually get everything in starter, but you also get API access, you get unlimited sub account, and you get a branded desktop app. If you're just starting out, starter is more than enough for anyone with an online business to get started, start making money, and you can choose to upgrade to unlimited if you're managing accounts for clients. Now, Moosend provides a competitive pricing model that includes a free tier for really basic needs. So you can actually try everything for 30 days, which is, more than twice as long as the 14 days you get with Highlevel. There's no credit card required, so you don't have to worry about getting billed. You can have up to 1,000 subscribers and send unlimited emails, which is pretty unique because for a lot of free trials, they'll limit the number of emails you can send, even though they can allow you to have a lot of subscribers. So with 1,000 subscribers and unlimited emails, you could be potentially making a lot of money. They also give you an automation workflow and a landing page as well. So this is all completely free for 30 days, so it's really useful. Now they also offer the Pro and the Enterprise plan, and there's an annual and monthly option. So if you play with annually, then it's significantly cheaper. And so based on your number of subscribers, the pricing is going to change, going all the way up to $5,800 a month if you have between 800,000 and 1,000,000 subscribers. Now, if this number sounds like a lot, I can assure you if you have 800,000 to 1,000,000 subscribers that you're emailing, you're probably making way, way more money than this. You could easily be making $50,000 or $100,000 a month in profit. So 5,800 a month wouldn't even faze you. But if you're just starting out and you don't have a lot of subscribers, then for 0 to 500, only $9 a month. For 500 to 1,000, only $16 a month. And they also have an enterprise plan where you get all the pro features, but you also get an account manager, you get custom reporting, and you get a bunch of other stuff, but you have to get a quote for that because they have to customize it to your business. Now let's talk about customer support. So this is what the platform looks like when you sign in to Highlevel. And so if I go to this question mark here, they've got a bunch of introductory courses and onboarding, but they also have live chat and 24/7 call support. With Moosend, you can also get really good customer service available through email, live chat, and phone. And they also offer extensive resources like tutorials, webinars, and a detailed FAQ section. So now you probably have a good understanding of both Highlevel and Moosend, but what do other customers have to say about them and which one has better reviews? So let's look at Trustpilot for each one. So for Highlevel, Trustpilot gives the average score of 4.9 with over 2,000 reviews, and Highlevel is clearly a verified company, as you can see here. They have almost all 5 stars with very few reviews that are below 5 stars, and lots of recent reviews like 6 days ago, 3 days ago, and so on. So clearly people really like Highlevel and it's been popular for a while. But what about Moosend? So Moosend is also a verified company, but they have a much lower rating of only 2.5 out of 50 reviews. So I wouldn't trust this rating too much because the number of reviews is very low. But either way, clearly a lot of people have given reviews for Highlevel and it's doing really, really well. So you can make of that what you will. The decision between Highlevel and Moosend should be based on your specific business needs and preferences, but here are some general recommendations based on my personal opinion. So you need to consider your primary business needs. If you are a marketing agency looking for a comprehensive platform that includes CRM, email marketing, social media management, and white label capabilities, then Highlevel is likely the better choice because it has everything. And the same goes for people that are new to online business. And if you just want to have, one software platform that contains everything instead of having like 10 different subscriptions, Highlevel consolidates everything and it's relatively affordable at just $97 a month. And so they also offer a 14-day free trial so you can test the waters before you make a commitment. Moosend is better suited for email marketing than Highlevel just because it has a strong focus on email automation and segmentation. So it allows for a detailed segmentation of email lists based on the user behavior, demographics, engagement, and this allows you to get more targeted with your email campaigns. Additionally, Moosend also offers a user-friendly interface, and Moosend also offers a great free trial, which is more than twice as long as the one you get on Highlevel at 30 days. And because their pricing model is based on subscribers, if you don't have a lot of subscribers and you decide to bill annually, then you could be spending a lot less money than Highlevel because at $7 a month, it's way cheaper than the $97 you'd be paying with Highlevel. So I hope this helped you decide between Moosend and Highlevel. For your convenience, I've included the links to both platforms in the description box so you can check them out. And if you have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments section and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.